Many monasteries have been built at different places of Nepal. One of them is Nala Gumba, which is situated at Tukucha Nala, Kavrepalanchok district, Nepal. Nala Gumba remain closed Sunday to Friday, but it remain open for the visitors on Saturday only. You can see beautiful garden at the entrance of the monastery. This is the most popular spot for the photo shoot. This is the main part of the monastery, which look very much beautiful. Walls of the monastery have been decorated by different Thangka paintings, which look awesome. These buildings are for the students and the monks. Most exclusive part of what is inside the monastery. You can see beautiful statue of Lord Buddha inside monastery. That's all for this video. If you visit Nepal, don't forget to visit this place too.